नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। आप देख रहे हैं हारमोनी टीवी और मैं हूं मिताली जानी। ये साल कितना जल्दी बीत गया ये तो आपको भी पता है और मुझे भी। एशियन टेलीविजन नेटवर्क और हारमोनी टीवी आपको मेरे नज़दीक ला रहा है और ऐसे ही 164th एपिसोड के साथ स्वागत करेंगे हम मिस लीना पटेल का, जो कि GIT से सिर्फ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ही नहीं, ढेर सारी अचीवमेंट्स के साथ आज है हमारे साथ। स्वागत है आपका हारमोनी टीवी पर।
Thanks for having me, Mitali, on Harmony TV show of Canada. First of all, I would like to express the gratitude towards Harmony TV show of Canada that's sitting in India, addressing the people of Canada. I mean, giving the experience to the youth of the world. It's gonna be a huge experience of my life, and it's gonna be a gorgeous moment of my life.
वैसे तो यूँ कहें कि आपकी जर्नी एज ए असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर शुरू हुई GIT में, लेकिन One Soul Army, how did it happen?
Well, Mitali, let me tell you the journey about myself and my life experiences. Basically, I am a B computer, and then I did my Masters of Technology from Jaipur. So in 2004, I completed my diploma engineering, and then I started my B computer, and I did it completed on 2010. After onwards, I started in 2011 my Master of Technology. I completed in 2013. In between this, after 2010, with the, I am a legend. Once I completed my Bachelor of Engineering with the full strong support of my family, my parents, my friends, and definitely with my own willpower and experiences, overcoming the failures when I was failing continuously. So at that time, the life turned to back to learn about the quote that failure is not when you fall down, it is only when you don't get up again. And I just got up. In 2010, I was a topper in my last year, and it was a very pleasing moment of my parents and my family. Then after I started journey with my assistant professor. As an assistant professor, I joined GIT in 2010, July, 26th July. But after onwards, within now till date, with the 6.5 years experiences, I initially wished to start something different, and with the vision and mission, when I started this One Soul Army of 2013, just after the completion of my master, I was feeling that it's not sufficient to me, and never I thought that enough is not enough to me. So I started a beautiful journey with my One Soul Army organization in 2013. Right now, since 3 years, I'm running it online organization, and very soon it's going to be with a full-fledged with my 30 programs, which I already deliver usually when I find enough free times to do that. So it's been a beautiful journey ahead.
One Soul Army, ये शब्द, ये सेंटेंस, इसके पीछे भी कोई राज होगा?
Exactly, to the means, right, to the words. It's getting with a beautiful meaning and a pattern of thinking that why I've given and I've chosen this name to my organization. Well, Mitali, there is a beautiful thought and idea behind giving this beautiful name to my organization. One Soul Army means we are the one who is going to be dwelled into the Almighty Essence. Soul, which is almost ignored by all people right now. And army means you're the Lashkar. You're not one. When I joined these two words, I'm the one, the soul which is living inside me, which is inspiring me completely with the aspirations of the life. I am joining with the people of world. That's gonna be an army. And this One Soul Army, apart from this beautiful approach, I'm not only a one person. I have to play a role with the different senses. As far as the engineering aspect of the object-oriented programming language, if I consider with polymorphism, the entity which behaves with different forms, entity remains the same. I remain the same, but at the same time, I'm a thinker, I'm a philosopher, I'm a writer, I'm a composer, I'm a yoga trainer, I'm a healer, I'm a musician, I'm just a beautiful writer right now. So I pay myself as a different role on the stages of the life. We can be the One Soul Army. So I always give my students who are the greater community, who is still inspiring me a lot. As far as my beautiful sessions from my lectures and labs, I always tell my students that I never teach, I never motivate, but my words are becoming motivational. They are the God gifted. By being original, I would feel that this time with this behind name, one soul who is constantly forgiving, who have behaved very hurtful, very wrong to me, still with my heart and my soul I am forgiving them all. So it's been a very good sense of the feeling, love and aspirations for the future and being in the present. One Soul Army teaches us to be a one soul army on every stage of the life, with that beautiful thought of the Almighty that we are just divine children of Divine Almighty.
So Leena, you talked about love, and I'm sure this year is full of love. लव को लेकर आपकी पोएमेटिक अंदाज में कुछ सुनाएं.
Exactly. I would like to express my poetry and my own heart-wrenching words to the youngsters of the world. Nowadays we can see that this word, which is so holy, the people are using the people. I will just convey my beautiful poem for the youngsters. Right now, youngsters are making a wrong impression in their minds about this word L-O-V-E, love. They have spoiled somehow with this, so-called westernization across all the world. So on the earth, what is the existence of the love? Let me tell you, dear friends, love is an eternal, it never dies. Love is a beautiful feeling of the heart, and so it is always nice. Love is eternal, it never dies. Love is an air, heart to heart, it always flies. Love is a lovely feeling of the heart, and so it is ever nice. Ultimately at all, love is God, and so it is always beyond the life. Love is always beyond the life. So it's all about the definition of love in one. I would like to express the serious message and a very wonderful way to be open for my youngsters of even Canadians and Indians. When you leave your home, you are feeling alone, but I think that Almighty is always walking to you, with you, among you, across you, around you, inside you. Don't lose the courage from inside you. And as far as the One Soul Army's missions are there, I must convey a very good targeting point that starting is always hard, but it doesn't mean that there is no end. And is in our hand. Let's start first, it will be finished there. Including much more than no one is perfect in this whole world, but it doesn't mean that we cannot walk on the way of the perfection. But ultimately, when we start walking on the way of perfection, my dear youngsters, destination would be definitely the perfect ones, and that should be the Almighty's blessings. We work for the noble society, we work for the noble causes, and as far as I have taken the initiative of the noble and humble approach of my life, that till the last breath I will do something different. Apart from engineering, it will be my whole life will be the message to my youngsters all over the world. For the Canadians who are living for the jobs from their home, might be the case that they are feeling alone, and at that time, let me tell you, there is a difference between loneliness and the solitude. So if you start living yourself with the solitude, with the Almighty's chanting power, you can use the yoga, you can be the empowerment phase of your life using the Omkar chanting, healing exercises. Definitely, apart from engineering, my own introduction will be now to you a very greater message that apart from engineering, I am a thinker, philosopher, writer, healer, Reiki healer and a crystal healer, as well as a composer. I am a composer of the beautiful Gujarati songs and the spiritual tunes. I play on Casio, as well as I am a lyric writer, and I am not a professional singer, but still I am a lyric writer and a vocal. Whenever the need comes, like summer camps of the All World Gayatri Parivar, I sing on my own mood and spirit, and full with this flame of soul. So I must convey the initial to end of one message only. My youngsters of Canada and India and every country sitting over here, I will just be enthusiastic soul, empowering soldier of my country, saluting my Indian Army, as well as only one thing, that be original, be yourself, be with your own spirit every time, enjoy each and every minute of your life without worrying about the future. Better you plan for the future, living in the present. As far as I am a certified healer with the art of living, so I will say that be in the present moment. Present will be blossoming like a flower. You are the butterfly that has to journey from one flower to another flower. Life is all about, not the journey, what we feel, it's all about how we feel. And life doesn't depend on what we think, life is always dependent, dear youngsters, on how we think. Can we have one more example? Sure. For this particular context, life doesn't depend on what we think. Let me take a small example that if I think that I want to purchase a BMW, right? What is my thought? What I think, Mitali?
To purchase a BMW.
Okay, now let's start the psychological surgery over there. As an astral body surgeon, I must speak out the same. That it is different than the whole world conversation right now. What I think to purchase a BMW, but how I think, the first case study that I will work honestly for years and years, but the very next case study I will go for bank robbery. Here only, as a creator and director of this organization, I must convey the serious message for the social problems, stress-free life, and in this faster life, the youngsters are feeling that they are nothing. But in fact, they lose their willpower and confidence, and where they don't find any path, One Soul Army is standing for them forever. So I started with the thought in 2013 with the backbone moral and support from my true friend Divya Sharma. I will just also dedicate here to her a few two lines that in Hindi, that तू मेरी चाबी और मैं तेरा कीचेन, तेरे बिना दोस्त ये जिंदगी कैसे कटेगी, कैसे जी पाएंगे विद चैन. तू मेरी चाबी, मैं तेरा कीचेन, दोस्त तेरे बिना कैसे जी पाएंगे, कैसे पड़ेगा मुझे चैन. Thank you all for achieving this beautiful journey with my true friend, my parents' support. My father is basically a retired English teacher, and before his retirement year 2008, in 2007 he was honored by the Excellent Educator Award from Eklavya Foundation of Pune, India. Then after, the whole family was, getting a pride of this, and we learned a lot of things, especially from my side. I was really happy because this is the base where I remember my father as a teacher, that I have learned English through him only. So as a student, I am proud of my teacher, but as a daughter and as a child of him, I am extremely proud of my dada. I love my parents, my mother Hiraben B. Patel. He is not only a housewife for this family and for my life, but he and she both are the pioneers of my success since 2010. They supported in the journey of my Bachelor of Engineering till date. They are with me and they will be forever. They are my life gods even. With my full support of sisters and brother. I have two elder sisters and one brother, younger brother. One of the most elder sister, Alka Patel, she's Deputy Section Official in Gujarat, High Court, Gujarat, India. Second elder sister is homeopath, Dr. Divya Prabha Patel. And my younger brother, he is a pharmacist and he is right now an executive officer in a very reputed pharmaceutical company over here. So it's been a very good journey with us, full-fledged, strong support from family background. And basically when I started in 2013 this One Soul Army with the vision to change the youngsters' mindsets who are just not only healthy by the body, but they are not healthy by the mind. One Soul Army is looking for those youngsters who are really sick with this kind of, lack of the loopholes from their life. So I want to help this.
That's really great idea and very supportive family.
I would like to dedicate these words to my mama, in Gujarati especially, the native mother tongue. बोलता बोलता हृदय भराई जाए, जोत जोतामा आँखों भराई जाए, क्षण जेना विना वर्षों फेरवाई जाए, प्रेम पण जेना विना रणनी जेम सुकाई जाए, धबकता हृदयना धबकारा जेना विना रुंधाई जाए, आब फाटेला हृदयमां कई केटलाय दुख दर्दो भूलाई जाए, पीड़ा आपती जिंदगी पण जेना एक ज वाल भर्या शब्दथी वसंतनी जेम खिली जाए, जेना साथ मात्रथी हरेक श्वासमां स्नेहनी साची सुगंध पथराई जाए, अस्तित्व सगळुं मारुं फक्त ने फक्त जेमां समाई जाए, ए छे मारी मां, ए छे मारी मां. Salute to the mother.
Tandoori Fusion offers Indian food in Western style and Western food in Indian style. तंदूरी फ्यूजन एक ऑर्डिनरी डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस से हटकर बनाते हैं मुगलों के जमानों से बन रही रेसिपीज का फ्यूजन। एंजॉय कीजिए कुछ ऐसे स्वादिष्ट खाने जो दिल को भी भाए और मेहमान भी मन भर कर खाएं। To reserve your table, call 7804594808। बिजनेस मीटिंग्स हो या फैमिली सेलिब्रेशंस, आज ही मुलाकात ले तंदूरी फ्यूजन, 81A लिबर्टन ड्राइव, सेंट अल्बर्ट, अल्बर्टा।
Hi, I'm Navjeen Kabarwal from Optimum Immigration. I'm a licensed immigration consultant. If you have any questions related to any immigration or sponsorship or work permits, you can call me at 780-399-5127, 780-490-6090, 780-468-3331. You can also email me at navjeen@optimumgroup.info.
Enjoy luxury living at Royal Oaks by Cancom Developments. Location and complete satisfaction draw our clients to Royal Oaks.
We offer fully serviced lots in a broad variety of sizes. Build your dream with us.
We are 5 minutes south of Edmonton and 10 minutes from the International Airport. Let your lifetime investment be Royal Oaks.
Wondering what's happening in Western Canada? We are presenting Cultural Tadka in Hindi, Punjabi and English. We are coming every Saturday with news, views, entertainment and community coverage. Don't forget to watch us every Saturday morning. Harmony TV, celebrating togetherness.
आपके लिए हम एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट कवरेज लेके आए हैं। जैसे आपको पता है एडमंटन मशहूर है वेस्ट एडमंटन मॉल के लिए, ऑयलर्स के लिए और वाइट ऐप के लिए, मगर अब की बार जो हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं क्रिसमस के दिनों में कैंडी केन लेन बहुत मशहूर है एडमंटन की और कंट्रीज़ में भी है, मगर शायद हमारे काफ़ी लोगों को ये पता नहीं होगा कि ये 8 और 10 दिन का जो इवेंट है वो काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ है और इसकी कवरेज हम आपके पास लेके आए हैं। ये 40 साल से कैंडी केन लेन जो है वो चल रहा है एडमंटन में और लोगों में बहुत सी उत्साह है। लोग ड्यूरिंग दीज हॉलीडेज़ जाते हैं, वहाँ विज़िट करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ और इसका पूरा लुत्फ़ लेते हैं। इसलिए हम आपके साथ ये कैंडी केन लेन शेयर कर रहे हैं।
पहली बार एज ए विजिटर कनाडा में आया हूँ और कनाडा ये देखकर ये एक्सपीरियंस मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Exterior signs draw attention to your place of business and spatial displays leads to impulse sales. At Lincoln Sign and Lighting, we provide unique, effective and efficient sign installation, maintenance and services. Be visible, be welcoming with bright and styled signs. आज ही कॉल करें एडमंटन में 7809094835 या टोरंटो में 905-463-4835.
Love, dream, escape, cherish, enjoy with Century Travels.
Looking for high-quality, fully customizable windows and doors for your next project? Come visit Durabuilt Windows and Doors, where it's all about you. We value service, style, and innovation, and we'll work closely with you to help your vision come to life. With 2 convenient locations in Edmonton, our team will ensure your new windows and doors encourage friends and neighbors to take notice. Visit a design gallery today or schedule an in-home consultation. Call us at 1-800-544-3815 or visit our website at durabuiltwindows.com.
At Maple Dental Clinic, we strive to create a comfortable environment for our patients. We work evening and weekend hours for your convenience. We do Invisalign braces, digital x-rays using modern state-of-the-art equipment. We direct bill insurances. Our staff speak English, Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu.
Hi there, how are you today? At Maple Dental Clinic, how can I help you there?
We are here to spread a smile, so please call us at 780-440-5001 to book an appointment.
वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे ही खुश रहिएगा और खुश रखिएगा बच्चों के साथ आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज करना नहीं भूलिएगा. सी यू नेक्स्ट सैटरडे. चाओ.
हो सोनिए नी सोनिए सुन ले तू गल में say, ain't no joke. Yo folk, bola, it's a hard stroke. Yo, it's hot. Tu mujhko kar le sort, no thought. Guess what? Let's get started. Delete kar de pehli wali, koi na tikegi salu mein. Bas main, mere aage kaun hai tu mera king. Main queen, chodiye behtareen namkeen. Hai na, let's get started.
गल सुन मेरे यारा, दे दे प्यार का सहारा, तेरे बिना ना गुजारा अब मेरा सोनिए। मांगू रब से दुआ, कभी होना ना जुदा, तुझे मानू मैं खुदा मेरी गिर सोनिए।
मैं तो बोल दूंगा सबसे, तू है मेरी अब से।
मांगू तुझे रब से मैं तो सदा।
सोनिए नी सोनिए, सुन ले तू गल मेरे दिल दी सोनिए।
सोनिए नी सोनिए, सुन ले तू गल मेरे दिल दी सोनिए।
मेरे हॉट मुंडिया, क्या तुझे नहीं पता, तुझ पे मैं हूँ फिदा जब से हुई जवां। मुझे ले जा अपने घर, कोई कर ना फिकर, प्यार सारी रात कर, अब होता ना सबर।
सुन ले मेरी तू कहानी, तू मेरी दीवानी।